श्री गणेश नाइक जी, श्रीमती मंदाताई म्हात्रे, श्री रामशेठ ठाकुर, ग्लोबल CEO of FedEx, Mr. Raj Subramaniam, Director Adani Airports, Mr. Jeet Adani, Mr. Richard Smith, Shri Arun Bansal, Captain Sharma, Srimati Kami Vishwanathan, Shri Vijay Singhal, all the dignitaries present here, dear friends. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Mr. Raj Subramaniam and FedEx for today's groundbreaking ceremony, which, as rightly said by Jeet, is not just a mere groundbreaking ceremony, but it will write a history in the chapter of logistics in India, in Mumbai, in Maharashtra. We are very happy to have FedEx in Mumbai, because in today's world, when we see lot many things happening in the field of trade, we are seeing old barriers going, new barriers coming, and recalibration of supply chains. I think in such turbulent times, when FedEx decides to invest into a hub at Mumbai, I think it really shows the power of India. It shows how India and Maharashtra matters when it comes to trade. And I feel that in fact, I want to convey you that your decision is absolutely right and is taken at right time, because I think that especially this Navi Mumbai airport, which is developed by Mr. Adani, is going to be India's best and busiest airport in terms of passenger and cargo. And with FedEx terminal at this airport, I think it goes a level up, because all of us know that in the space of cargo, FedEx is the name. With your operations in almost all big economies, I'm told that FedEx is operating from 650 airports around the world with 700 cargo aircrafts. It's one of the biggest logistic handling company, and I'm very sure that with this new addition, it will be a facility that will facilitate the cargo handling in the state of Maharashtra. And especially, we are in Mumbai, which is financial, commercial, and of course entertainment capital of India. And this MMR region, where this airport is situated, is India's future. This region will account for $5 trillion economy by 2047. And you will be one of the biggest contributors, the airport and FedEx, to this dream of 5 trillion economy of this MMR region. So I think today is a great day. All of us know that now the cargo hubs and transshipment hubs are order of the day. For all the businesses to grow, you need logistical connectivity, and especially in a country like India, where our Honorable Prime Minister's endeavor is to bring down the cost of logistics, because the only impediment today in our growth is the cost of logistics, which we need to bring down. And I think when the companies like FedEx come with new technologies, with use of artificial intelligence, I think that helps in bringing down the cost of logistics. So I'm very happy today that this facility will be facilitating the entire business in the state of Maharashtra, especially when we know that Maharashtra has manufacturing prowess and we account for 20% of India's manufacturing. And I think for the manufacturing sector as well, FedEx facility will be very important, and for allied businesses also, it will be facilitating all the business ecosystem. So once again, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank Mr. Jeet Adani and our Navi Mumbai Airport for having this facility, and we would like to see, many more such facilities coming here, so that our dream of making this airport the best in India comes true. So thank you, Mr. Raj, thank you, FedEx, and thank you for having me here. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.